Welcome, investors. This is my rant about today, Monday sell-off on the stock market, which is September 21st. So let's take a look at S&P 500. S&P 500 went down 1.16%. And Dow Jones went down 1.84%. Nasdaq went down 0.13%. Is it the beginning of the sell-off and the panics of the on the market like we have in the March in 2020? I don't think so. There is a couple of reasons why I don't believe why this self is not the same one which we have in March 2020. Because first of all, S&P 500 was down and it recovered 1.556% from around 10:40 a.m. until 4 p.m. And Dow Jones Industrial Average, similar situation. We have Dow Jones Industrial Average down 1.56%, and it ended up being only down 1.84% during the day. And on the top of this, not all the stocks went down. I always look at some of my stocks, and during the March sell-off, completely every single stock in my portfolio was down, including stocks of Barrick Gold, including stock of Yamana Gold, including stock of Kinross Gold, including stock of Anglo Gold Ashanti, which are all mining stocks. I'm not even mentioning the stocks of big banks like JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and other stocks. In this case here, Organigram Holdings is up today, is up 4.39%, and this is the only one stock which went up from all of those which I'm holding today. But this tells me that this sell-off, this is not the real panic like we have in March, where almost for 2 weeks every day all the stocks were down, 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 down. So this stock is up. Uh, uh, why is it up? And why, let's say, Aurora is down and Canopy Growth, they all are down. Aurora is 3.22% down, and Canopy Growth is also I believe 3.7% down. So why Organigram Holdings is up? I don't know. There is maybe some kind of good news about them. I don't know. I don't really follow the news every day about every single company which I own in my portfolio, because that doesn't make sense, in my opinion, to follow the news. I bought this company in December, and my holding is my idea is long-term holding of this company. So I don't really care what's happened in the middle. Um, if there is any good news or bad news, all what I care is that the company doesn't go out of business, doesn't go bankrupt. That's all what I care, and I'm looking long term in this case, and the same with another companies which I mentioned in in the marijuana industry. So let's come back to because I like more S&P 500 than Dow Jones. Uh, let's take a look at the 6 months. So it looks like we peak S&P 500 peaked around September 2nd with 3,580, and since then we have a downturn, 8.337%, which is nothing unusual. Market is supposed to go up and down, up and down. So I'm not really a person who is selling. I did not sell anything today, and I'm not planning to sell anything in the near future because I understand the nature of the market. I don't understand options. I don't understand derivatives. And thanks God, I'm not smart enough to understand them. But I do understand the basics, which is that sometimes market goes up and then sometimes it goes down. So today we have one of those days when the market goes down. And like I said, this is not a reason, absolutely not a reason to sell your stocks because you're supposed to sell when market goes up. But what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to buy some stocks. What I'm planning to buy is I'm planning to buy more energy fuels. And today was a good day to buy because the price went down 7%, 7.26%. But I did not have time to jump into my computer because I was working all day. and, and I missed this opportunity because it looks like after hours trading is already up almost 5%. But I'm very patient. I'm gonna wait until it goes back to around 166 within next month, maybe few weeks before election. We will have some uncertainty in the market, some political turbulence, and this will affect the market for sure. So what I'm doing here, of course, I'm gonna have to admit I'm market timing to buy energy fuel for the lowest possible price. I already have some shares. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I already started building a position in energy fuels. But I just want to get as many shares as possible for my money. I know that I have some shares for 188, I believe. That was the highest price which I purchased for. And right now you can see from 1 month that we peaked in September 2nd in the price 1.92 cents, and now the price look like it's going down, which is very good for me. That's what I want. That is the time when is the buy time, when the price goes down. Uh, and of course, if you watch my previous videos, I'm very long and very bullish on uranium. That's why I'm building my position in energy fuels. If you take a look at the 5 years chart, it is still price in a, I would say, kind of lower range. The lowest was, of course, during March panic, when you could get energy fuels for as low as 93 cents. So right now the price is 166, and tomorrow when the trading starts, it will probably start from $1.74. Let's take a look at the maximum time chart, which I really like. So as you can see, the biggest rally which we have was in 2011. Absolutely not. Price went to $70, but if you watch my video about energy fuel, you would see that the price went to $200. When did it go? It was somewhere down here. That's gonna be a mystery for you. If you wanna know when the price of energy fuel hit $200, you have to take a look at my video. And this is right now warning. Don't ever not really rely fully on watching the charts from Google website, because they show you really not entire range of the price which you can get, for example, from Seeking Alpha. So I'll do this for you right now, and I'll show you energy fuel stock price from Seeking Alpha. Okay, so let's take a look at the maximum chart. Boom. This is the chart which I like. Okay, so this is the 2011 which we saw here. The price was around $70. So this is the 2011 here. But let's take a look at this right here. I cannot really get it. Okay, that's good enough. 2000, when was it? 2007 on April 16, the price of energy fuel reached $205. And this is really exciting chart. And what I would like to also show you, you can see here the volume growing. Let's say volume here. What is the volume? The volume here is around 1300. Here we go, and you can see how the volume is growing. 1 million here, 6 million, 3 million. Boom, and it's growing. What does it mean that if the volume of the stock is growing? What does this mean? This means that there is more and more people trading the stock, and there is more and more interest in the stock. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure this out. You don't have to be super smart. This is a basic. If there is bigger volume, there's more interest, it means that more and more people know about the company, which is a great news, and it is a great time to buy, I think, energy fuels right now. Okay, that's it. This was my rant about today's market sell-off, and a little bit about energy fuels and uranium industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time with me here. Just thanks to you, I am right here. If you were not there listening to me, watching me, I would not be here. Thank you so much again. Have a great day, and until the next time.